Hey guys, this is Miss Chirillo, and I'm going to teach you how to thread your Brother sewing machine. Your first step is to make sure you have thread and to make sure you have a Brother sewing machine. Next, you're going to put your thread on the thread holder. Pull your thread across, and we're going to be following the solid line diagram. Do not follow the dashed line. That's for loading a bobbin, which you can learn how to do in a different video. So right now, we're going to be following the numbered steps that go along with the solid line diagram. So our first step is to pull our thread around and tuck it behind this L. Make sure that it pulls in between those little metal teeth that are inside there. So we loop it around that L and we pull our thread down. We now are going to be following the numbers on our machine. So here's the number 2, which indicates that we need to bring our thread down. Here's our number 3, which is telling us to come up. Our number 4 gets a little tricky. So it has kind of a U-turn looking signal. If you are staring at your machine and you don't see a metal hook down in this crevice, you should turn the wheel on the side of your machine clockwise until you see that metal hook rise enough to where you just at least see its reflection in there. If you're looking at it in person, you can see it a little better, but on the video, you can at least see that it's there because of the reflection. So what we need to do is hook our thread on that metal hook that we just raised. So we brought our thread down, up, and now this U-turn diagram is because it's wanting us to catch the thread on that metal hook that we just brought up. I just did that. I can tell that it hooked successfully because I'm tugging it here, and I can see in person that the thread is around the metal hook. So now we're going to bring our thread down, and now it's time to thread the needle, which you will learn about in the next video. So again, just to recap, it's very simple to thread your machine. You bring your thread over, loop it around the L, come down following the number 2, loop up following number 3, loop around the metal hook inside of that crevice for number 4, and then come down to this area for number 5. Good job.